either join Patreon/MineYourCrypto, buy me a coffee/MineYourCrypto, or buildMineYourCrypto.com. You will get amazing benefits, and now is the time to join because we are going to get soon bullish. Do not miss this chance, and you will know which salts to buy and the best positions, along with trading, scalping strategy, and many other benefits, including automated system. You will get profits without doing anything. Thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. Let's go to Bitcoin, and of course to see some very important charts right there. Okay, so we are going to start first with Bitcoin against USDT. Are we bullish right now? What do we have to do actually in order to get bullish? Of course, we are not bullish yet. Okay, we are not bullish yet, mainly due to the fact that, first of all, we haven't got above the 20-day EMA first, and the 50-day EMA, we haven't broke above some important resistance levels. Secondly, in case you have missed on how to draw the gann fan, we are going to do it together pretty quickly. So what we are going to do is to draw the gann box first in order to square the chart. We are going to square the chart from the bottom back on 20 July to the top on 10 November. I'm going to open the logarithmic instead of the regular scale. I believe with the gann fan, and actually sometimes it helps more than the regular scale into finding support levels. Other times I use the regular. This is what you will be getting with experience, and you are going to choose what scale you want to have. So right now what we are going to do is to square the chart. How are we going to do that? We need the price to bar ratio of the gann box to be 1, so we have a perfect square, and then we are going to draw the gann fan. So what we are going to do is to go here, copy this number, the first price, which is the bottom here, and go to the calculator and divide this number with a high, the 69,000 Tether USD. That was the highest of Bitcoin. And we are going to paste that out, and we have this number. Copy this number, and then we divide this number with the 103. Okay, so we are going back to the calculator right here, and we are dividing this number with 103, and there we go, we get the 243. So we are having here 243. Okay, so what we are going to do is we are going to paste this number right here into the 243. Okay, so there we go. It lagged a little bit previously, but anyway, we have this gann box, and what we need to do is to go to the gann fan, and we need to just have the 1-1 line to cross. I have the magnet, so I couldn't do it easily, to cross diagonally this box right here. Okay, this 1-1 line, there we go. Okay, so this is the 45-degree angle, the 1-1 line right there that we want, and there we go, we have the gann fan. As you can see before, in the previous days, we even went towards the 8-1, the last support level, before if we get down from this support line, then it is very possible to meet the 28 again. However, you can see that right now, we have the 4-1, we are having the 20-day exponential moving average as the first resistance level, the 4-1 line right here. Okay, so what we are going to do is that we need to break the 4-1, which is about the 39,400, and maybe even more as the days go by. If we break the 20-day MA, but also the 4-1 gann fan line, and what that means, the 4-1 is that we have 4 units of price per 1 unit of time. That's why you see this line getting more horizontal towards the price action right here. Okay, so you can see that right now, once we go to the 8-1, for example, to the 1-8, sorry, it is 1 units of price per 8 units of time. You will see it is getting more horizontal, that the gann lines, for example, the 4-1 and the 8-1, they are getting more horizontal to the date and time. Before I said, I think price, I'm sorry about that. They are getting more horizontal to the date and time, to the bar, okay, that we have. So right now what we need is to break the 39.4K. We want to break even the 43K, which will be the 50-day MA. Maybe it is going a little bit further down depending on the price action. Also, what we want to see is how Bitcoin will just go and make the progress once we have the overbought situation on the stochastic side. That means how the price will react to this overbought situation that we have. The price might go further down. That means that the Bitcoin does not have the strength yet to go even higher, but we are going to see more details pretty soon. Let's go to Bitcoin's dominance as well. This is a market cap BTC dominance on percentage, okay, with the percentage scale. You can see right here. Right now we had a little bit of Bitcoin's dominance. Altcoins were a little bit going upward. Some others were going higher. Some others were struggling a little bit. But in overall, Bitcoin is getting some dominance right there. We have more long positions according to the India good news right there that we have with the regulation that they are actually seem to be adapting the cryptocurrency and all this stuff. I think more geopolitical good news will come out and will play out in the next days. I truly believe that February will be one of the best. Anyway, market cap. Once we just go sideways or a little bit down, this is where the altcoins will start to pump up. Okay, but of course we do not want to have a crash in Bitcoin. If we have a crash in Bitcoin, these are all gone. If we have a red candlestick right here that we will be going even further down, then this is all gone. But if we keep going higher and higher, this will be very good. On the other hand, we have the shorts, the short positions for Bitcoin right here on 1 day from Bitfinex right there. And you can see that this is the curves that connecting the bottoms and the tops. You can see right now that we approach this top line on 3rd December and again on 21st. It is likely we might be dropping a little bit further down, and of course the short positions will be a little bit minimized and we will have less short positions. I think that we are going to have that because right now Bitcoin is gaining some strength. It is going to go sideways. I would love to see a Bitcoin pump up right now. But I think like we have to see actually the next few hours to the next few days how we will react right now that we are upon the 20-day exponential moving average. This yellow line right here, you can see we got rejected on 20 January again, and we want to see how good Bitcoin will perform. On the other hand, we do not want to lose the 8-1 gann line, this last blue support line. If we lose that, then it is very possible that we go down to the 28K. For now on though, we do not have this theory going on. All we want to see is a major breakout. We do not want to go just steadily like that. It is like we have a rising wedge, for example, where we had this price pattern right here. Okay, we do not want to see a rising wedge. We want to see a very much of a bullish action pretty soon enough. Because if we see a rising wedge right there, this is a bearish pattern, not a bullish pattern. And you see it after a correction, you're seeing the rising wedge, and then you usually drop down. We need to have a very nice bullish movement pretty soon. That doesn't mean though, and I feel like it is very unlikely to have a crash just like we had back on minus 10% on 21st January. I feel like it is unlikely, okay, to have such a major crash, but we can correct, of course, a little bit more. We can go towards some other support levels. If we don't have a breakout right now, I feel like it is very possible to get that. And seeing the daily frame, maybe it is looking like a rising wedge. I do not know your opinion. You can leave it in the comment section, of course, and you can join our monthly subscription. Do not forget that. Now it is the time. I feel like February is going to be good, and especially for altcoins. As the Bitcoin's dominance will start to decrease, altcoins that have a very strong bullish RSI divergences will be going even higher, and we are going to see some nice uptrend for the altcoins. I'm going to have a video if you like. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. See you soon with many more videos. Bye.